All right, y'all. So welcome back to the channel. So yes, I'm in mid-install of the speakers. And if you're watching the channel, then you're already part of that process. But I just got another package in the mail today. This is supposed to be a very simple, easy install. So I'm ready to go ahead, unbox, and install. So y'all stay tuned. Let's see what's inside. So I went on ahead, slit the bag. Let's slide the hand on in and let's see what we got. Come on. Boom. So if you can't really tell, it says HandleBar dampeners, the HandleBar EndWeights. These are from Sling Mods. I've been waiting to get these for a while. The last time I wanted to order them, they were out of stock. So once they came in stock, I went ahead, ordered them. One thing I really hate about this Ryker is the vibration. The vibration is so bad in the handlebars, it's ridiculous. So I'm like, hopefully this helps out with all that extra vibration, but I definitely wanted to dampen that vibration. It just did not sit right with me. So let's hope this works. So let's get it installed and see what happens. By the way, y'all, so what you do get inside the box, I'm sorry, I forgot to mention, you get 2 new screws and you get your weights. These are approximately, if I remember, 6.5 pounds each. They are hefty. They are solid. They are, I mean, they're solid. So really looking forward to this and to try a little experiment for y'all. I'm going to start the bike, show you the vibration, then I'm going to stop it, install, then start the bike again, and let's see what kind of vibration we have after that. So let's get to the install. So I was so excited to get these on. I went on ahead, started unscrewing these. Pretty much we're going to unscrew these, put the weight on, and put the new screw on. And yeah, that should be about it. So let's do a start. All right, so as you can see, pretty good vibration in the handlebar. So as you see, pretty good vibration throughout the handlebar, on the face shield. So let's go ahead, let's get the install. So real quick, a little screw comparison. This is factory. This is the aftermarket one, much longer, and the heads are different. Factory is a T30. This is something a little bit different, but it looks like a torque. Torque bit. So we'll try it out. So pretty much I'm going to put the head here and then tighten it down with the new bolt. So let's see. I just wanted to make sure I noted for y'all, I'm using a T25 bit. To take the original screw out, I was using a T30. Now I'm using a T25. So just wanted to note that this is how it's looking so far. I'm literally just retightening. So very simple install, and we're gonna see if we kill some of this vibration. So y'all stay tuned. So something that they do not tell you with this install, even though yes, it is relatively a very easy install, this new bolt right here, you really have to push it in to get it to break through kind of where the old bolt was, because if you've seen just a little bit earlier, I was just free spinning pretty much. I had to literally push that bolt in, and then it kind of started feeding. And so it does take a lot of physical strength to hand tighten these 2 new bolts. They're much longer. So this one, I almost have it done. I kind of started working on the other, and yeah, so just wanted to make sure I passed that along. That's something you didn't see in the instructional video. I'm letting you know now that you actually have to push that bolt in. So, all right, back to it. All right, y'all. So these much longer screws, they did not seem to fit really well. Maybe with this handlebar, maybe with a longer one, maybe it fits better. But I had a hell of a time trying to get those in and could not get it secured all the way down. So I went on ahead back to the OEM styled Those seem to fit just fine. Went in nice and easy, came out nice and easy, not a problem. So anyway, they're installed. They are snug. I mean, everything is snug. So let's go ahead, let's start it, and let's see if we see a difference in the vibration. Well, there's still a good bit of vibration. It's still there. I think pretty much it's always gonna be there, no matter what you do. But I guess that's the experiment. $42. It doesn't seem like it really dampens the vibration. Not like how everyone seems to be talking about it. They're like, oh my God, it does wonders. Nah, I think it's minimal at best. That's just kind of my opinion. It's just a minimal dampening. So with that, you guys do what you want. But so far, I mean, not much different. So anyway, y'all, that's gonna be it for the channel, for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, you know, like, share, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. But that is gonna be it, and I'm gonna see y'all on the next video.